Hey guys, today I'm making Halwa Puri. To make the puri, add your flour into a bowl, then add in the ghee and use a fork to mix it in well. Add the warm milk in a little at a time till the mixture starts to come together. Use your hands to knead the dough well. Then place the dough onto your work surface and roll it out into a log shape. Use a sharp knife to divide the dough as equally as you can into 24 pieces. Roll each piece of dough into a ball. Then place some additional flour onto your work surface. Roll 2 pieces of dough into the flour, then place them one on top of the other and flatten them using the palms of your hand and your fingers. Add some additional flour onto your work surface and roll each piece out into a round about 1 millimeter in thickness. Add some ghee into your karai, and while that melts and heats up, you can mix the halwa. Add the flour and sugar into a bowl, then add in the cardamom and cloves. Mix it well using your hands or a whisk. Then gradually mix in the milk. Then add in the water and mix well. This mixture should be very thin and very runny with only a few small lumps. Set it aside till needed. When the ghee is hot, add in a few puris at a time. Then use a fork to turn them back and forth about 2 to 3 times. Place them one on top of the other. Remove them from the ghee and allow it to drain off any excess. Then place it onto some paper towels and use some additional paper towels to press it down. Continue till all the puri is fried, then cover and set it aside. Remove the ghee from the pan and use a paper towel to wipe off any flour residue. Then add back about 3/4 of a cup of the ghee. In one steady stream, add in the halwa mixture and use a large spoon to mix constantly. Make sure to scrape the sides and the bottom of the pan as you mix. After some time, the ghee will separate from the halwa mixture. Cook for a further 5 minutes. Then tilt the karai to the side and remove any excess ghee. Spoon this mixture into a bowl. Allow it to cool, then use as needed. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!